welcome to Daiwik. My name is Daiwik, and today I'm going to tell you a project that is called Picture Trucks. Okay, let's start. Now let's see what's the materials. So we need a small tape and then a big tape, 2 tapes, and then a scissor, a Sharpie, and a straw. Let's get started. First we need to get the straw and the tape. We need to have a long like tapes. Like this. Okay, now we need to cut it. Now we need to fold it like halfway, okay? Directly halfway. Oopsie. You need to be careful. Now I did the halfway thing. Now let's do, you can draw any shape you want, like a bow, a tie, like that, okay? Let's get started. So let's just do a bow. Okay, now let's cut it. Ta-da! Now I did the bow, but I did glasses too. Now let's put the glasses here, and we'll put the bow like in the end of the video, okay? Okay, so the tape, get a little bit of tape from this small tape, and then, ta-da! See, I did 2 picture drops. It's cool. Now you can do silly things in your pictures and photos, like in your videos, like hello, tap, tap, tap. Hello, like that. Like I don't even know how to do silly things, but you can try like to do like this. Like this is my first thing out, but hello, dead. Okay, please subscribe, ring a bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.